The world is full of amazing creatures, yet due to habitat loss and certain human activities, several species have gone extinct. Groups of researchers are making great efforts to rediscover lost species and are studying ways to preserve those that are on the brink of extinction. Some species were considered extinct because they could not be found for many years. However, surprisingly, species that had disappeared 40 to 50 years ago have reappeared. Hello friends, welcome to Cognitive Chronicles. Today I will tell you about such rare species and the cases when an extinct species returned. So let's begin. Number 10. Chapman's Pygmy Chameleon. The Chapman's Pygmy Chameleon, which grows to about 5.5 centimeters, was first discovered in 1992 and was not seen again until 2016. Researchers from the South African National Biodiversity Institute and the Malawi Museum rediscovered it in a rainforest. Over the past 40 years, around 80% of the tropical forest hills in Malawi, where these chameleons lived, have been destroyed for agriculture. This put the chameleons at critical risk, and the remaining populations have become isolated, threatening their genetic diversity. Researchers are now calling for monitoring and conservation of their habitats. Number 9. The Black-browed Babbler. The Black-browed Babbler, Malacosincla perspicillata, was discovered between 1843 and 1848 by German naturalist Karl Schwanner. A specimen is preserved at the Naturalis Biodiversity Center in the Netherlands. Thought extinct for 170 years, it was surprisingly rediscovered in the forests of South Kalimantan, Indonesia. Two locals spotted the bird and sent photographs to ornithologists, who confirmed it was indeed the black-browed babbler. The bird has a fluffy body, a short tail, a strong bill, and a distinctive chestnut-brown crown with a black eye stripe extending across its face, throat, and neck. Number 8. The Sierra Leone crab. Since 1995, this colorful crab had never been seen until 2021. Pierre Mvogondongo, a lecturer and researcher from the University of Douala in Cameroon, traveled to Sierra Leone and rediscovered the species with the help of locals, finding 6 crabs. These crabs live in burrows within tropical forests, far from water, and have adapted to breathe air. Males have pinkish claws and orange legs, while females have a purple body with orange-yellow legs. Number 7. The Coelacanth, the dinosaur fish. The coelacanth, Latimeria, was thought extinct 65 million years ago, alongside the dinosaurs. The world was astonished when it was rediscovered in South Africa in 1938. Closely related to Indonesian coelacanth, it shares unique traits. Its paired fins move alternately like legs, allowing horse-like movement. Its intracranial joint lets it open its mouth widely, and its notochord serves as a backbone. Thick armored scales and electrosensory organs help detect prey. Number 6. Wallace's giant bee. Discovered in 1859 by Alfred Russel Wallace, Wallace's giant bee, Megachile pluto, is the world's largest bee, about the size of a human thumb. Believed extinct after 1981, it was rediscovered in January 2019 during an expedition in Indonesia. After a challenging search, researchers documented a living specimen, reviving hope for the species' survival. Number 5. The Fernandina giant tortoise. The Fernandina giant tortoise, Chelonoidus fantasticus, was last seen 112 years ago and considered extinct. In 2019, a female tortoise was rediscovered in the Galapagos by Forrest Galani with the Galapagos Conservancy and National Park officials. Blood samples sent to Yale University confirmed the specimen's genetic match to the species once native to Fernandina Island. This confirmed that the supposedly extinct tortoise still lives today. Number 4. The Aldabra Rail. The Aldabra Rail, Dryolimnus cuvieri aldabranus, is native to Aldabra Atoll and parts of the Seychelles. Flightless, it was wiped out when rising sea levels submerged its habitat, but re-evolved when sea levels later dropped. Fossils dated 136,000 years ago and 100,000 years ago were compared with modern specimens, showing near-identical traits. This rebirth is a rare example of iterative evolution, demonstrating that species can reappear over time. Number 3. The Somali elephant shrew. The Somali Senji, Elephantulas revoilii, was last recorded in the 1970s. Small like a mouse, with thin, gazelle-like legs and an elephant-like trunk to feed on ants, it was rediscovered in 2019 during an expedition to the Horn of Africa led by Stephen Heritage, Galen Rathbun, Houssine Raileh, and local scientist Jamal Whale. Using over 1,000 baited traps, they recorded 12 Sengis, obtaining the first live documentation in decades. Number 2. Jackson's climbing salamander. First discovered in 1975 by Jeremy Jackson, this rock-climbing salamander, also called the Golden Wonder due to its bright yellow color, was believed extinct until Thomas Ramos Leone spotted it in the Man-Cachimatan Mountains. Its identity was confirmed by Carlos Vasquez from the University of San Carlos in Guatemala. Rediscovery led to park expansion and protection efforts, alongside other salamanders recently rediscovered in 2014. The species remains critically endangered. Number 1. Santa Marta Sabre-winged Hummingbird. The Santa Marta Sabre-winged Hummingbird, Campylopterus phainopeplis, is an emerald green hummingbird from the Sierra Nevada to Santa Marta in northeastern Colombia. Rediscovered in 2010 by birdwatcher Jürgen Vega, it was only the second documented sighting after being considered extinct. Inhabiting humid tropical forests, it migrates during the rainy season and feeds on flowering plants. Only 15% of its habitat remains, making the species highly vulnerable. Experts call for further research and conservation. And with this, our video comes to an end. Subscribe to the channel, stay tuned for more fascinating stories, and see you in the next episode.